Today we have a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you how to change the bulb or change the lamp, rear tail lamp on the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. This is a hatchback. So first thing you want to do is open the hatch. And if you need to change a bulb on the hatch, you basically put a screwdriver in this little panel. There's a panel on the left and right. Alright, once we get that open, then we can change these bulbs by twisting out, taking the bulb out. Alright, take the bulb out, get a new one, go to your auto supplier. Now that is for the hatch tail light. And if you need to take the assembly down, you want to take this trim panel off, and there's bolts in there that hold the lamp in. That's only if you need to. But the brake light, to get this out, you can see there's two screws here in the jamb. Two 10mm screws, or you could use a Phillips head. So we're going to take them out.
These come out pretty easy. There's one. There's two.
All right, once they're out. Now there's also not only these screws hold it in. There's usually pins that hold it in. It's usually pins up here, or there's a little slide that's on the back side of this. I'm not sure, each model is different. So first thing I try to do is wiggle it. And that doesn't seem to work too good. So I can feel there's a pin holding it. So the secret of this is to hit this with your hand, sort of boom, boom. You also want to hold on it with this hand and then give it that little boom. So I'm going to do it. All right. And then it came out. See, there's a little clip right here. On the back side is this little slide. Try to get a better view of that right there. It's a little dirty and greasy. That is a slide that goes onto that clip. If you want to change the bulbs, you just unscrew them just like the hatch. Turn it out, pull it out, pull this bulb out directly or twist it. This one's a twister. And if you look on the bottom of the bulb, there's numbers. You can take the bulb to your local supply or give them those numbers. And that's pretty much how you do it. And you put everything back the same way. Put the new bulb in, screw it back in, slide it on the clip first, and put your screws in. And that's how it's done. Joe Beermaster.